While using the headset microphone on your Xbox Series X, if you can hear static or echoing in party chat or in-game voice chat, then stay tuned and try these steps to fix Series X mic echo once and for all. First of all, what we're gonna do, in case you're hearing echo, is open the guide and then go down and select audio and music. From these settings, the first thing that you want to do is turn down mic monitoring. If this is turned up, then you'll hear your own voice. And after that, decreasing the headset volume a bit can also help. So try doing that and see if that makes any difference. But if the problem persists and you're hearing echoes in the party chat, then let's move over to parties and chats, open our party, and from there expand your option, and you can toggle noise suppression on or off to see if that helps. If you're still hearing echoes, then we will open settings, and from the general tab, go to volume and audio output. The first thing that you want to try changing is the headset format. If it's set to Windows Sonic, you can try stereo uncompressed and vice versa. Then go to additional options, and from here you can try a few things. For example, you can try enabling or disabling mono output and see if it makes any difference. And it's very important that you mute your TV speakers when headset is attached. If the TV speaker is also enabled, you'll hear echo along with your teammates. So make sure the speaker is muted. And in case you are using an external microphone without the headset, then you should switch to a headset with a built-in microphone. After that, we can move to volume, go to chat mixer, and in these settings, you can try increasing the volume reduction percentage, which will decrease other audios when you're speaking, and this can fix the echoing issue. And lastly, go to party chat output and make sure you have selected headset only and not speakers or headset and speakers, which will cause your voice to echo. If the problem is still there, then sometimes this may be the issue of your controller. So first of all, make sure that your controller has the latest updates, which you can check by going to Xbox accessories, and then more options on your controller, and then updating your controller. You can also try connecting your headset to a different controller, or you can also try a different set of headphones to find out if it's the controller or the headset. Unfortunately, even after following all these steps, if the mic echoing still isn't fixed, then this can also happen from Xbox's end. So what you can do is make sure your Xbox is up to date, and meanwhile you can contact Xbox support for further assistance. So that's all for this video. Let us know if this helped.